How to turn on notifications for accounts you follow. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on notifications for accounts you follow on Instagram. And here's how to go about it. The first step um is to turn on your Instagram application or launch your Instagram application and then go to the profile of the person you want to receive notification for. All right, so you can go to the profile by checking out your feed or by just typing out the person's name in the search box. Whichever way, just ensure that you go to the person's profile. And once you're on the person's profile page, you can see details about the person. Then move to the top right corner where you can see three vertical lines, dots, and then you can see notification bell. So just click on that, and then you can see the notification prompt. And after that, you'll see some options. Which one do you want to turn on notification for? For the purpose of this tutorial, we're trying to turn on the post notification. So just go ahead and click on this toggle. And then once the toggle goes from black to white, it means that the notification has been turned on, and you would always receive notifications whenever this particular person make post. And then if you want to do the same for stories, just go ahead and turn it on, and the same thing for reels. So this is how it works. This is how we can turn on notifications for people, for accounts you follow on Instagram. Thanks for watching and have a good day.